Okay, this video is to quickly talk to you about that program practicum progress check. So you're not going to want to wait until week 5 to get this done because you're going to have to meet with your mentor and get a signature. So to find it, you're going to go to Module 5, click on that week 5 link, scroll down until you find Internship Practicum Progress Check Survey. You're going to click here to get the PDF that you're going to have your mentor fill out. It's going to look like this. So you've got a rubric, and you've got the form that your mentor is going to fill out. It's got a quick little letter to your mentor. You're going to fill out your student name, your L number, choose the program you're in, whether you're getting a master's, an ed tech degree, or principal certification only. Which number is this course that you are currently in? So if you're in the 3rd course of your program, you would check a 3. If you're in the 8th course of the program, you would check the 8th. Then you have the school name, the district name, the mentor's name and email, the minimum hours required to date, refer to the assignment template, actual hours that you've completed to date. Your mentor will sign it and date it. And then your mentor is going to put some comments in this box. So areas of focus for the candidate to develop or list areas to assist in campus-wide improvement initiatives. So once you get that completed, you're going to go back, you're going to scan that in, save it to your computer. Then you'll come back and click on this link where it says Week 5 Internship Practicum Progress Check Survey. So when I click on that, it has the instructions. So to complete this, you're going to have to upload that document that you just scanned in and saved to your computer. So you come over here, you click Begin to begin the survey. It's going to line out much like your DAD-R. So your first question asks you your first name, second question your last name, again your L number, your Lamar email, what you're in. You're going to type those comments that your mentor put in that form that you just filled out. Remember, after each one that you complete, you're going to put save your answer. In question 12, you're going to browse your computer and pull up that document. So be sure you name it something so you know. So you may have to name it Progress Check and the course that you're in so you know that you get the correct one. So browse your computer, find that item, click on it, save your answer. Once you've completed all the questions, you're going to hit Save and Submit. If you don't click Save and Submit, it's not going to send your answers to us, and it's going to show that you have not completed that. If you're going to do this along the way and add to it, save the answers that you've done. But if you've completely added everything in, including your progress check PDF, then click Save and Submit, and that will complete this item. I hope this helps.